In today's fast-paced world, convenience often trumps nutrition, leading many of us to reach for quick but often unhealthy snacks to satisfy our cravings. But what if I told you that there's a way to indulge in delicious treats while still nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients? Welcome to the tantalizing world of healthy keto snacks, a culinary journey that promises to revolutionize the way you snack and fuel your body. The ketogenic diet, known for its emphasis on high-fat, low-carbohydrate foods, has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Beyond its well-documented weight loss benefits, the keto lifestyle offers a myriad of perks, including increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, and enhanced overall well-being. But perhaps one of its most underrated aspects is the abundance of mouth-watering snacks it has to offer. Picture this. Instead of mindlessly munching on processed junk food snacks that leave you feeling bloated and lethargic, imagine savoring delectable keto-friendly treats that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body with essential nutrients. From creamy avocado slices drizzled with olive oil to savory cheese and charcuterie platters, the options are endless and undeniably delicious. But what sets healthy keto snacks apart from their conventional counterparts? It all comes down to quality ingredients and mindful choices. By focusing on whole nutrient-dense foods such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, you're not just satisfying your hunger, you're fueling your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive. One of the greatest advantages of embracing the keto lifestyle is the opportunity to get creative in the kitchen. With a wealth of keto-friendly recipes and resources at your fingertips, you can easily whip up a wide variety of tantalizing snacks that cater to your unique tastes and preferences. Whether you're craving something sweet, savory, or somewhere in between, there's a keto snack recipe out there waiting to delight your palate. But perhaps the most compelling reason to make the switch to healthy keto snacks lies in their transformative impact on your health and well-being. By ditching processed junk food in favor of wholesome, nutrient-dense alternatives, you're not just making a dietary change, you're making a lifestyle change that can have profound implications for your long-term health. And the best part? You don't have to go it alone. With the abundance of keto-friendly resources available online, including blogs, cookbooks, and recipe guides, you'll never be at a loss for inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned keto veteran or just dipping your toes into the world of low-carb living, there's something for everyone in the vibrant keto community.